Hello everybody and welcome. Today's video is in memory of what I did last year for Marchus Annus, where I learned self-defense. Today, I'm gonna zip tie my hands together and attempt to use my shoelaces to get out. Now the hardest part is the setup, and I didn't want to have you guys miss out on that. So, as you can see, these are very, very old shoes. Very old shoes, because I have no clue what this is going to do to my shoelaces. Absolutely no idea what this is going to do. So these are my shoes from back in my fast food service days. Thank the Lordy Lou, that is all said and done. Unless I get fired. So, hopefully it stays that way. Wonder if I'm supposed to do with the other shoelaces. We'll go with this. We'll see how this works. I haven't tried it yet. For your viewing pleasure, here I go. Oh, Jesus. This is gonna be a lot harder than I thought. There we go.
Bicycle.
What was that?
Bicycle. Bicycle.
I did it. Huh. That wasn't that hard after all. Well, you saw it here. Took like more time for me to set up than do anything. Alright. Well, I didn't remember my shoelaces, so anyone can do it. Just don't be caught without shoelaces. And as always, until next time, thanks for watching.